Hi everyone, I'm Abraham Dole, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money online using just your smartphone. So, in order to make money online using your smartphone, tablet, or computer, you firstly have to register on the platform. You make a deposit, and then you start cashing out. So let's go. Let me take you through the process. So, the first thing you have to go to Google Chrome. If you go to Google Chrome, you're going to type in um starbet.com.ru, and then you click on Starbet, and we're going to get to the platform. So when you get to the platform, you observe that you have log in and join. So log in for those who already have an account, and join for the new people. So to join this particular platform is very easy. All you need to do is click join. When you click join, you come here, you put in your phone number, you create a password that you can remember, you choose the currency that you love to be betting in, and then you put the promo code. So the promo code is just StarBet1. So even if you don't have a promo code, you just register. It can still stop you from carrying on your registration process, but if you want to use the promo code to get 100% uh, bonus, you can be able to use StarBet1 to get 100% bonus. So for me, I already have my account on it, so all I need to do is to go to log in. If I go to log in, click my details will come, and then I sign in. I'm already in the app. So if you see on this app has various games here. You have the sport game where you can come and select those teams that you want, and then you place your bet on them. So you just come and select the team that you want. You come and place your bet on those teams you selected. You also have the casino game. So the casino game where you play those slots. Uh, you also have the, so these are the slot games. So let's just try it so you can see what we mean. All right. So the slot game is very much good for playing, or you start betting for as low as 20 LD. So come to it, come here to bet, and then you select how much you want to start betting. So you can start betting for as low as $1 per already. So you see, so I want to start betting from $20 because I want to take a peek. Then I start my bet. So with this, can you imagine? Just my first click, I have got $36 just from my first click. So you just imagine you make a deposit, and then you start betting to win big on this platform. So what are you waiting for to join the best platform? One of the best platform in Liberia that gave you show uh, winning. So let's go to the next area. So I'm also going to be teaching you, how you can make a deposit, because I know other people are like, well, how can I make deposit? So now, after you are opening an account, before you can start playing, I will just show you a few of those games. But before you can start playing, you come here, you see deposit, click on that deposit icons. It will ask you how you want to make a deposit. You got shop cash. Shop cash is for those people who rest in USD. You got Momo, you got Lusacia, MTN. So if you're doing shop cash, it's just like you pay, and then we give you the display, and then you put in the code and start ready. So here I click this. I click how will I say, orange money. Okay, you can deposit for as low as $50 above. So you got $50, you got 100, 500, you got 1,000 going. So depends on your screen or how you want to deposit. So if you get there, you come, you click here, and then the amount you want to deposit there. Let's say I want to deposit I want to deposit 20,000. Okay, so it asks me for promo code. Now if you put a promo code StarBet1, it will give you a 100% bonus on the deposit you made. So I click deposit. Now what you see the deposit request was being sent. Now this request is being sent directly to my smartphone, that is my mobile money account, and then I go to the mobile money account and confirm it, and that money will come right into my account. So yeah, is to be able to see about my account. How much do I have in my account? What is my ID? What my number I register with, and all of that. How can I withdraw? So like if I do a deposit and I play and I win up to maybe 20,000, I want to make a withdrawal. I just count to withdraw the amount I want to withdraw. I put it there. When I want to withdraw 5,000, I put 5,000 and I click withdraw, and bam, that money go directly to my mobile money account. So if you are using this particular uh um app on your phone, you don't need to worry about if you win, they will publish you this and that. No, you win your 1 million, you withdraw it right in your mobile money account with ease. So what are you waiting for to start working from home now? What are you waiting for to be your own boss? This is the easier and simplest way. All you need to do is to come to Starbet to come to arrow, join. If you are a new person, you join, make your first deposit, and then you start betting to earn more. Through this, who knows, you can be our next billionaire from this particular app. So this app allows you to work from anywhere. Just have internet, your smartphone, and a little cash to start earning more money. So join this platform today. And you can also be able to follow Starbet Facebook page, which is Starbet Liberia. The Instagram too, the same Starbet Liberia. Because on the Facebook page, if you are following Starbet